This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Your phone supports NFC and the app, and you have a Myki card number or account ready. Open the Only Way Mobile Myki app now. Grant NFC and location permissions when prompted. Once done, sign in with your account or tap Create Account, then choose Add Myki. Make sure to keep the card nearby. Hold it against the phone back, because the app will read the card ID to link it. This step links payment and balances to the app for future use. You now link and top up. Place the Myki card on the phone back until the app confirms the card ID. Don't slide it, hold steady. Tap Add Value to use credit/debit, PayPal, or saved card. Enter amount and confirm. Once the payment processes, the balance updates on the app and the card when you touch on Next. Make sure to enable auto top-up if you travel often, set threshold and amount, so you avoid expired balances and interruptions during travel. You finish by using and confirming everything works. Touch on and off as usual. The app displays the last touch time, trip history, and remaining balance. Check it after your first trip. If the balance doesn't show, make sure to sync. Open the app and tap Refresh or Read Card while holding the card to the phone. If you still have NFC issues, restart the phone, toggle NFC off and on, or revert to the physical Myki card temporarily. This usually resolves read or write.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.